this trend into a serious income stream. With TikTok's creativity program and YouTube ad revenue, people are making real money from AI-generated content. And the best part? You don't need expensive equipment, real animals, or advanced editing skills to get started. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process to create viral animal videos from scratch using AI tools. Whether you want to grow your social media, go viral, or start earning online, this guide has everything you need. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support gives me the motivation and courage to bring you even more amazing AI content and tutorials. Let's get started. The first step in creating these AI-generated animal videos is to develop an image prompt.